I'm Rhonda McFerrin from On My Own Independent Living Center in Nevada, Missouri. Welcome to Tech Toolbox. I would like to share with you a device that is wonderful for people that have dyslexia or a learning disability, or if they just want to have a portable scanner. Let me show you a little bit about how this device works. So with the device, all you need to do is press down on the text that you want to be read and follow the line. When you do this, this is scanning every word along the line. You could actually read a book like this. It could help you with schoolwork.
Your body wants to have a chronic long-term illness. Unfortunately, most of us will.
So as you can see and hopefully hear, it will read to you after it has scanned it. So that gives you a quick idea about how the C-Pen reader works. It is an OCR pen that you can scan text. It can help you be able to get definitions for words, read a book, just simply a line. For questions about this device, give me a call, 417-667-7007, and we'll make an appointment for a demonstration. Thank you.